Alrighty, guys, you guys got yourself a Shark Matrix 2-in-1 mop vacuum combo. That's your cleaning pad, your mopping pad there. You get your cleaning solution in this bag here. That's cool. Not real sure what this is at the moment. Probably part of the base. See the vacuum, the robot vacuum. A little bit bigger than the old one. Bristles, it looks like. And the charging base. Okay. So, yeah, charging base. It's got a nice little film around it. Let's get that plugged in here in a little bit. Should we go ahead and take the film off? Let's do that. Let's take the film off of that. What do I care? That's neat. It's a little lightweight. Feels like it's going to get bounced around a little bit fairly easily. Does have a nice little place to wrap your cord around. That way, if you have excess cord, you can just wrap it right around the bottom of the base here. I do like that. That's pretty neat to start off with. See, this is the fluid reservoir, which has got a mop pad already on it, and it's got some film on it as well. So let's get that film off there. There we go. Okay. So, okay, water first. Water only. Vac mop cleaner. Okay, so it's got 3 little fill lines on it. So I guess if you're going to do water only with no cleaner, you would go up to this line up here. If you're going to do the with the cleaner, you go to this line instead. But then this is where your water filled before the cleaner. So that's kind of cool. All right. So let's take a bristle here. Side brush, yes. And another bristle here. Side brush. Okay. So the meat and potato of it. The whole thing of it here. Let's go ahead and bring you guys closer so you can see, right? Alright, so this is the underside of your robot vac. You got these nice little pads here that sweep things up. There are bristles in it too. I didn't think there were. That's kind of cool. It's offset here. I got a pad on this side and a bristle, a pad there, bristle, pad there, bristle. That's cool. You got your motorized wheels and then your directional, to where it can turn and stuff. As far as underneath, that's about all there is. So let's go ahead and get the fun film stuff off. So we can look at it, right? That's what we want to see what she is. Alright, so oh wow, that's those wheels kind of up and down, so that's neat. Alright, so do we take all the stuff off? I mean, is that what we want here? I mean, I'm gonna kind of set this off to the side just in case. Yeah, because it's got the QR code for the downloading the app, right? Kind of need that. This one's got some words on it, so we'll put that off to the side just in case we need to read something here in a minute. Alright. So all the film's off and everything else. Let's see, it's 2-in-1, yes. Got a little dock button here that says go home. And one here that says clean yourself. So that's cool. Alright, so let's look at the dock station here. So this is going to be your docking station. This is going to be your landing mat. So the landing mat goes underneath the docking station, right? Oh, look, the buttons, bubs here. That's going to sit right on top of there. Okay, that makes me feel better because this was a little light and I was afraid it was going to get pushed around a bit. But with that being on that mat, that's actually going to be real nice and keep it nice and sturdy and steady for us. So we're happy with that. But that's going to be your landing station or your docking station. So that's cool. All right, let's get this bad boy back over here. Let's see, we got to attach the side brushes, right? Which looks like, well, I'm not entirely sure where those go. It's only one side brush? Looks like there's only one side brush here. I don't see another one. I just see the one. Now, it did come with two, so I'm going to assume the other one's a extra. But it looks like it's going to go right on here. So you just push that right down into that bub until she snaps. And she's going to, rotate around and kind of bring stuff inward towards it. Really surprised there's not one on the other side. And that really surprises me. Alright, man. Well, once you're done with that, then you're going to place her on the dock. I was interested about putting this on, but it doesn't really say how to take this front piece off. No, on the quick setup at least, to put this on. Let's see. Oh, is she going to go on the back? Is she going on the back? Is that what it is? Oh, she's going to slide right on here on the back. Okay, my bad. I thought I would have to take the front piece off, but I was wrong. So, just going to slide that in here. Boom, she attaches there. That's nice and easy. Okay, so now she's set up and ready to go. We just need to figure out. Oh, okay, you got to pull it out to fill it up and stuff. Okay. All right. So, like I said earlier, fill it up to there, to the water fill line, and then if you're only doing water only with no cleaner, then you all the way up to there. But we're going to add cleaner, so we're going to go from here to here. That's going to be cleaner between those two. It's going to be water below it. So we'll get that set up here in a little bit. We'll get we'll get the docking station set up, get it set up to start charging, and then we'll come back and see how she works. Alrighty, once you install the app, runs you through a lot of stuff. You got to turn Bluetooth on your phone, and then use that Bluetooth connection to connect to Wi-Fi. Then once that's done, then you got to map your house. It's just a click the next button, click the next button, click the next button, and wait forever. Then you're ready to assign rooms through the app, and I assigned just the kitchen for now. And I told it to go ahead and clean the kitchen. So we're going to see how she does it. I told her to vac and mop. So you might be able to tell on the camera that some of the floor is a little wet now. That's cool. I should have moved that stool here. I didn't mean to have that sitting there. We can see she's mopping. There's a spot that I want to get on camera. spilled something earlier and purposely, actually I spilled it yesterday, but I purposely did not clean it up because the robot was coming today, so I was like, well, we'll wait and let the robot do it. Now, I wasn't entirely sure that I had the kitchen correct on the map, because it seemed like it was saying, yeah, it's close. It's very close. It didn't. I'm not sure that it did a great job of mapping the house. I hope it continues to map as it goes. I purposely didn't move anything out of the way because I wanted to see what happens. Oh, that's my mud room back there, so don't mind that mess. I got to clean that up at some point, but right now it's just a mud room. So I see her. She's throwing a piece of dirt in front of her constantly. Looks like she finally got it. Okay, alright. Did not move anything out of the way though. I wanted to give her the opportunity to do this and see how well she did with obstructions and everything else. So definitely want her to. I want to see how well she does. Okay, she's pushing that washer around on the floor a little bit. Let's see if she can pick it up. Oh, she actually got it. Wow, I'm actually shocked that she got the. There, you just heard it actually get picked up. And she's rattling around in the dust collection bin. Oh, here's the spot that we're going to get. So she went around the room first, or at least mostly. Now she's going to start her back and forth pattern. But she missed the whole section back there in the corner. Which that's the corner where I spilled something, and I want to see her pick that up. I want to see what happens. So she's going to start her back and forth after going around the edge. That vibration is just the washer in the dust collection bin. So it's going to rattle around in there. It's a hard plastic bin, so any kind of vibration is going to make it bounce. That's why it's going to sound a little loud. You can tell, I mean, you can definitely tell where she's been and where she hasn't been. Anxious to see the pad, to see how dirty or filthy the pad gets. It's drying pretty quick behind her. There's some spots that I'm not entirely sure she's getting. I didn't set her to deep clean though. I just set her to do a quick run. Of course, that could be scratches in the poly too. Not entirely sure. So looks like I need to resize the kitchen a little bit. Oh, look, there's a little bit of a leaf there. Oh, that's cool. Oh, she spit it out. She didn't get it. There she got the leaf. You missed. So this is my spill here yesterday that I wanted her to clean up. Uh-oh. And she completely missed it. But, there we go. She makes all kinds of noise. But let's look at how much of the fluid she used. Ooh, she used quite a bit of fluid. Quite a bit. And then, let's see the collection bin here. See if she got much of anything. I don't know. I don't know how you tell. Like I said, I didn't really read the instructions as far as figuring out how to empty stuff or do anything. Looks like there's a hinge on there. So how do you pinch and lift up? Okay. Alright, so just here in the kitchen, like just the kitchen, she got quite a bit. I'm really shocked at that. That's a lot. I just swept this the other day, so wowza. I am more than a little shocked at how well she did. Alright, and after a quick run of the whole house, let's see where we're at here. Oh, look, it's not that bad. Really not that bad at all. So, yeah, that's not horrible. I really thought it was going to be way worse than that. Filter looks pretty dirty though, so maybe we'll just wipe that off and you know, get rid of that little dust bunny here in a minute. So that's not bad. Oopsie. Oh, we had some stuff stuck in it. Okay. So, let's see. We got things stuck in the roller. Not bad for a first run with this machine, I don't think. Not real sure what those are. Got quite a bit of that. So it found something that I've clearly missed. Of course, the hair doesn't surprise me at all. Not in the slightest. But, well, we'll get her back on charge. And we'll get the rest of this picked up. One thing we wanted to look at was at just how much dirt that pad got. And, wow. That is a lot of dirt. So, does she do a good job of getting stuff up? Yeah. Okay. I mean, I mopped like 3 days ago. And, well, I mean, this thing's going to get underneath furniture and stuff, which I don't get with my mop, you know. So, it's supposed to be white. Clearly, it is disgusting. So my floors are cleaner. I just have to mop a couple more times and my floors should be pretty clean.